Stages. I'm Leela.
And I'm Jet.
And this is sponsored by our aunts and uncles, Aunt Mickey and Henny, Uncle Randall, and Uncle Chris for giving us these assorted chocolate-covered butter tarts from Annie's
Chocolate.
From Annie's Chocolate.
Arva Kilworth.
Yay! So we're gonna cut each one open to see if there are different flavors, because we don't know, and that's how we roll. Let's
Bam, bam,
get
bam,
started.
One.
Okay, fine. Just take it.
Okay, Leela, which one do you want to cut open first?
Start with this puffy one. Maybe there's something inside it. Okay, so let's cut it open. Cuts nicely. Jam. The suspense. Oh my god. Is it a butter tart?
It's jelly. Oh, it's jelly. Oh, that's so cool.
It's not even a butter tart. It's a chocolate covered jam tart.
Berry
tart.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Doesn't that look beautiful?
Smells like cranberries. It has the texture of a creamy butter tart. It's like a really good jam though. It's it's not too sweet. Has a good amount of flavor. Chocolate just has a whole new level.
Yeah. It's just like a chocolate-covered pie. 10 times smaller. Portable pies, baby. Portable pies.
yeah.
On to the next. Oh, no, I'm forgetting stuff.
I rated it a 10.
I rated an 8.
It was a huge surprise. I thought it was going to be just a regular butter tart, but it's a jam tart and chocolate. Mwah.
The crust doesn't have as much flavor. Part I want to cut open is this pecan one.
I think this one's going to be a classic butter tart. Or butter tart with pecans.
What are you thinking, Leela? It's going to be a pecan pie 10 times smaller.
Oh, a portable pie. Yeah, it's a pecan pie. It's a butter tart.
Pecan pie, but smaller.
So, here's what it looks like. It's very gooey and creamy.
Wait, is there chocolate in the center?
Oh, Jet, that's because you cut it and the chocolate fell down. Okay, let's try it.
It's a very good pie. The crust is much better in this one because the sugar overwhelms the fact that it's missing some flavor. Unlike the jam, it's very noticeable. Or it's because I got the bite with the most crust. But I think the crust tastes better here. So, I rate it. And cut.
Sweet, there's a gooey.
I never said gooey. Okay, Leela, it's your turn to pick what one you want.
Okay, I'm gonna pick the one with the
M&M. Get it right, bro. Bam. Boop, boop, bam.
Okay, let's cut it open. What if it's just plain? That one's hard. This one's hard. Oh, it's just another pecan.
Oh, it has. It's an M&M butter tart.
M&M filled butter tart. Let's try it.
Okay.
Okay. It was really good.
That's what I said about all the tarts being perfect with the same filling as a pecan. If you take the thin part of the tart and you eat it, it tastes the same as it does the raspberry. But the filling on the thin part of the tart makes it taste good. So obviously, you have to rate it a 10.
Okay, so when you bite into the M&M, it's like really soft, so you don't have to chew on it too much, and it kind of melts along with the filling inside of the tart. So it's really good, and I rated it 10. Okay, so this is the last one we're gonna do
Because our parents do not know that we have ate 3 of them already. So, don't tell them, and we will eat one more. Which one do you want to eat, Lila?
Okay, we'll do this one.
Wow, good pick.
They're all
Why
technically
don't
the
you take off
same,
the
so
wrapper?
maybe they're... Okay, Jack, cut it open. Actually, I'm cutting it open. I think it's just...
Oh, I think it's peanut butter.
It's just maple. Oh, wait. No, it's just maple.
Yeah, it looks the same.
Just a regular maple tart. So, ow. Let's try it. Oh, it's creamy, creamy, creamy.
It's peanut butter, it's peanut butter, it's peanut butter. I'm joking. It's regular maple.
I'm just regular maple. Okay, well that finishes our video here. So,
Wait, it's crunchy on the top. Look, just look. There's a layer of like crystallization here
happened to
that
the
makes it
last one
crush
too,
crunchy. No, it didn't.
yes, it did.
No, it didn't. Keep dreaming, Lila. I rate it
Okay, so
109.
that finishes off our video today. And thank you to our aunts and uncles for getting this for us to try. So thank you so much. Thank you. And please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below what you want us to do next. Bye-bye.
Bye.